got it to this point, and now we are going to throw some white as a base on the entire thing, and this bait is going to get a black top with a white base, and I'm going to do a small bit of the like fur type pattern, and you use an old paintbrush to do that. So on the bottom where it transitions from the white to the black, I'm going to do like a fur pattern back and forth with the two colors. It's going to take me a little bit to do it, but here we go. Well, I guess I forgot to turn my camera on when I was spraying this black, but you get the gist of it here. We got white on the bottom, black on the top, both sides. And I'm going to go back, I'm going to hit the bottom with white again, probably hit the top with black again, just to give it a double coat. And then I'm going to come back with the paintbrush, and I'm going to make a fur pattern of white coming up and black coming down. It's going to be kind of tough to do, but I think I can get it done because I don't have to do the whole entire bait. It's just going to be along the black and white line. It's just going to be throwing the colors back and forth to get it right. Let's do this. Alright, we got this guy, got the black on the bottom of it. Got the front and the back down. I'm going to come back with a little bit of white. Do a little bit of white over the black to give that little more texture. Cool. Alrighty, so on this bait I was asked to do some red eyes, so I grabbed some Liquid Colors red and I'm going to throw that in the airbrush, and I got a couple of little rounded style eyes, and I'm going to throw some red paint on those guys for this bait. Alrighty, painted those eyes, put the eyes on there with some gel super glue, got the bait signed, got the bait numbered. This is number 53. It's kind of hard to see, but it's a different type of paint, so it will stick out a little bit. Anyways, what we're going to do here, I've been on Instagram talking to Bass Aggressive as I've been building this bait, getting all the information from him, how he wants me to build it. So I just asked him if he wanted me to paint the feet on the bottom of this bait the way that I do, and he said yes, so we're going to do that next time. Got some white, and I got some flesh colored acrylics. And we're going to use both of those. And I got bugs flying in my mouth. Alrighty, so I got these feet painted on. I did some white, and then I came back with the flesh color and painted some feet on these guys. I'm going to come back with a paintbrush, a little thinner than this guy, the one that I use for like real small detail, and I'm going to do the fur pattern with the paintbrush back up over the legs to kind of blend it all in together. And then I'm going to get to epoxy coating this and putting the spring in the back. There'll be a spring sticking out of the hole there, and you'll be able to attach soft plastics to the back of the bait. You can put like a curler tail or a big worm, a small worm, however you want to do it. Anyways, this camera does not like to focus very well. We will get to finishing this bait up and epoxy coating it in the next step. So I got my small paintbrush. I got some black and some white out, and I'm just going to do more black and white lines a little bit over in some of these spots and make it look a little more furish. Well, there we go. Got some fur painted on there a little bit better. Try to make that look as realistic as possible. I think I might come back with the black a little bit and blend it back down. I don't know, we'll see here. Looks pretty good though. I'm going to come back with it just with the white. Alright, so I got this guy to this point. The paint is now dry, and I'm going to start epoxy coating this guy pretty soon here. So I got to get my stuff ready to epoxy coat this guy. Yeah. Next step, epoxy coat.